Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative in Canva. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an aesthetic poster design using frames, and it's super easy, looks amazing. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next creative tutorials. Right, first things, prepare the image you want to use. You can grab some inspirations from Pinterest or simply download the files I've shared in the video descriptions below. Now, let's start by uploading your image to Canva. Look like this. Right-click on it and choose Set Image as background. Then we go to Elements, search from Frame, and pick the square frame. Then arrange 3 of them side by side, just like you see here in the video. Next, drag your image into each frame. After that, double-click in the frame to adjust the positions. Don't forget to lock the frames. Now, insert the same image again. Remove the background using the background remover. Align it with the middle picture like this. Then crop it a bit so everything's blend nicely together. And for the final touch, add some text or quotes to make your poster even more eye-catching. That's it. Super simple and fun to make.